Here's the instructions how to sign your electronic signature using digital Skyslope. So first things first, you probably have received an email from me on your inbox. What you have to do now is click on Get Started and click on Agree. And once you're here, click on Start. So once you get on this window, you can just pre-select the type of signature and initial that you want to use electronically. And this is completely legal. Once you have selected it, click on Use this signature. And it will point you where to initial and when to sign. So as you can see from here, it will point you directly where to initial and where to sign. And you can also do this on your phone or on tablet or on the computer. Once you completed all the signatures and initial, what you have to do is click on Finish Signing. And there you go. You're now completed your electronic signature. And once after you're done, you can just go to your inbox and it will send you a copy. And the beauty about this is that once you finish all the signatures, once all the signatory have finished doing their own signatures, it will send you a copy. I will have a copy and you also will have your own copy. As you can see from here, this is what it looked like once you're finished. And what makes this legal is this identification here, that you actually did the signature on your own. That it will tell you the time that you open it based on your IP address, the time and the date and the timestamp when you initial it and when you signed it.